I would say the biggest pain point in my restoration business right now is employees and keeping them motivated with times changing technology, and specifically in my area there being a lot of opportunity for different various roles and careers, trying to keep people excited about helping other homeowners with their properties, and just keeping employees motivated and retaining that.
No, I really see a huge trend in the industry on the side of contents restoration that I think we're going to see big things coming up in the next few years, and that's on the software level. Matterport's amazing. How we can do a virtual walkthrough with anyone of a contents cleaning job, I think is amazing. And then, of course, we've been challenged so many years in this industry about content inventory and photo inventory, and there's some great programs coming out that I'm just really thrilled about and excited to see come into the industry, because I think they're going to be really big game changers to make our jobs as contents restoration professionals so much easier and smoother all the way around, and I'm really excited about it.
I'm from the Southwest. What we're seeing more and more of is completely brand new houses with not a piece of carpet at all. It's just strictly all either tile or hardwood floors. I mean, not even the bedrooms. And this trend has been accelerating for about 8 years, and now you really, really see it. So if you're in the carpet cleaning business, you need to adjust.
I'm going to talk about the biggest thing in an industry trend that we have, at least in the industry that I work for, is insurance as catastrophes. With global warming, we're seeing a big jump in losses and paying out tons of money on the biggest part right now where I live is Colorado is hail. So we pay tons and tons of money of all these hailstorms all the time, and that's the biggest trend I'm seeing right now.
A pain in my business is actually keeping employees coming back and forth where they actually show up per day, keeping them engaged, training. If we can keep our employees trained, engaged, where they can actually feel like they're contributing to the overall good of a property and the client of that property, I think we'd be much better off as an industry.
An industry trend that I've seen for water mitigation is better ways to document, whether it's through apps for your technicians, in putting all the appropriate humidity readings, everything for which. For me, as somebody who does all the paperwork of submission to insurance, that's the hardest thing for me to get from my techs lots of times. And so I've seen an app through Encircle that, we're just going to get. My techs will be able to use that. And it's simple. I have all the information that comes into me right away, and I know where all my equipment is.
One of the big trends that we're seeing in the market now is the advancement and use of technology. It's something that our company has been big on bringing into our company with software like Dash, Matterport. With all of our claims, we're seeing that it's hard to get paid quickly. You're dealing with adjusters that have never stepped foot on the property. So using this type of technology where Matterport, for example, you can send a 3D tour to an adjuster wherever he's at, and he can actually relate, and you guys can have a conversation as to what that loss looks like, and that just helps us get paid faster and have better documentation.
One trend that I'm seeing in the industry right now is increased use of technology to help with the work that we do, such as Matterport cameras or new drying monitoring systems that use Bluetooth that we were shown earlier by Phoenix inside. A big pain point for myself would be getting paid in a timely fashion by the carriers, and that has only gotten worse the last couple of years.